back to the vlog, guys. We're in the car. Got my blanket. Sarah has her blanket. Don't worry, we're not driving. And let's see. It's snowing outside. Dun 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 dun.
It's melting on the car, but outside it's not.
It's actually melting on the car, which is actually weird. But at the exact same time, it kind of makes sense because we're in here and we're heating it up. But outside, it's sticking because it got down 28 degrees last night. And it's closing in on a quarter inch, and it started like 20 minutes ago. So, so today's gonna be a snowy vlog. Snow everything basically. Hot cocoa, if we have some. We got tea. Well, we can. Later we can get some tea. Let me tell you, it's cold in the car, so that's why we have our blankets. And just for extra warmth, brought Georgie, and it wiggles along there in our blankets, helping keeping us warm. So here got Whaley and Sassy. Dun 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 dun. They're intercepting.
Outside is
Yes, and yeah, but the intercepting vehicle is outside on the porch, so it shall go into the snow and all types of weather. We shall see what it's like afterward. Alright, we're underneath our blanket, keeping warm.
way more heat.
And when we're underneath the blanket, it's really warm. So we must stay underneath here. Yep, it's getting scary. Dun 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 dun. News update. It's up to a quarter inch outside. My hair is all crazy, I know. But
I've
yeah,
got my
up to a quarter. Sarah can see through it, I think.
Yeah, it's like
Well, she can see through there, and it stays warm. But anyway, it's up to a quarter inch outside, and it's starting to collect on the trees. So we could get a pretty good wintry storm going on. You know. Alright, we're back inside after a little bit. Oh, it's only 10:20. But it's still snowing out there. And it's probably like 3/4 of an inch to an inch out there. Depends on where you look. But here's what it looks like. Dun, 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 dun. And right there, you might notice, which we most likely did, that there's less snow there. At least it looks like it. And the truth is that there's like a heated pipe or something there. I don't know, but every single time it snows, it always melts the snow around that area. Everywhere else it's okay. But, so dun 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 dun. It's supposed to snow tomorrow like this at night though, so it'll be a surprise. But AccuWeather said that we could get up to an inch, and it wasn't supposed to snow until the afternoon. It's supposed to be sunny all morning, and it's morning, and it's cloudy and snowing. So.
Oh, look at our
Doors.
Olaf.
Oh, the Olafs. Dun, 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 dun. Oh wait, let's see. There's the intercepting vehicle. The other vehicles.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah.
it has a bunch of snow on it.
Hell yeah.
Alright, but anyway, snow. We really don't know how much we are going to get because AccuWeather said up to an inch, and that was but that was with it being sunny all morning and then the afternoon. So we could get up to 2 to 3 inches. Yeah, and then tomorrow another 2 to 3 inches. We could get up to 6 inches of snow. Who knows? We really don't know, so stick around and find out. Also, remember guys, to hit that red button right down there. Remember to hit that bell. So I upload either each every single day, or every other day. So remember to hit that bell. Alrighty, we're outside. It's still snowing. It's closing in about 1.5 to 2 inches right now. It's been about half an hour since the last clip. Now we're going out to the swamp to see what it's like out there. Yeah, it's getting my eyeball. Really snowing out here. Whew. That was
Video going.
Yeah, it is. The video is going. Man, there's a bunch of snow out here. Whew. Look at that. guys. Whoa.
Water is so
Wow, the water is low. I'll help her. Don't worry. You're safe. There's no water underneath. It's just grass and logs. Mouse. Man, it's really pretty out here. Reminds me of Christmas. Christmas is gone. I'm done for. Whoa. Bunch of snow. Top of my head. Mouse. Alright. So, there's a small puddle right here. I'm on land right now. I'm gonna try to go across it. Ice is creaking. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Fell in right there. I wasn't even on it. Yeah, it definitely would not have pulled me. Sorry. Oh my goodness, this thing. Over there is pretty strong. Okay, I'm going there. The puddle has been. Whoa! I'm stuck out here.
I put like very little weight on it.
No, that's not hard. I must find a way to get back. I know. I'm going the hard way though. And I do not have snow boots on, so this might be interesting. Ah, there's traction. Where are you going? Aha! Done, done, done. I will not hold you. Is this fun in the snow? Oh. As you can see, it's little tiny canals. Mimsies in it. Mimsies. Right. Must be careful as we go across. Nope, that's not gonna hold you, but it will hold me. Oh, no, that would not hold me.
Not going.
Alright. Storm Chaser Timsters is out here in the snow. It is getting about 2 inches out here. Got flat. Completely flat. Excuse me. This is professional. No snowballs. You nicked my head. How dare you? Alrighty, so we're back inside. And apparently it's supposed to snow like all day. So, and it's starting to look like this out there. Everything's white. This is like our normal, like, well, I guess you can't really say normal. Like, when we get like a snowstorm, it usually gets about that deep, and then that's it. And it usually happens in December. But it's supposed to be, but this isn't like never happened. Like, I guess the only other time it happened was when Sarah was born. So. It's been a long time since this has actually happened before. So, and it's just crazy. Everything's white, everything's snow. And it's even supposed to snow tomorrow again. Alright, it's really hard to hold on to this camera with these mittens, but it's still snowing out here. We have made our plow. We plowed with this thing.
Well,
Works very well. Oh, that's cool. But the snow should, according to AccuWeather, the snow should end in about 20 minutes. So, but also said that it was gonna just snow this morning. It's So we don't really know, but both ways, time to start plowing. Faster, faster.
Back it up so you can get some more.
Right. Here we go. Lock the camera. I saved the camera. It's being demolished. Alright guys, we're out here, back out in the white wilderness, waiting for Dad. We're going on a walk. We got our big hill that we go up and down each and every single time we go for a walk. And since it's snow covered, I'm thinking possible sledding, so I brought cardboard along. This. Dun 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 dun. Got a bit cardboard. I wonder if this is gonna work. I'm guessing not. Alright, you guys, we're skating on the road. We're going so fast because the snow melted a bit and now it's below freezing again, so whew, definitely beats walking. More of a downhill than Alrighty, end of vlog, guys. It is cold out there, and the snow is melting on the car. Now it's below freezing, and now there's like 1 or 2 doors I can only get into. Like, everything's just frozen. Even the handle's frozen. Everything's covered in ice out there. But anyway, remember to hit that red button right down there. Remember to hit that bell, because I upload either each and every other day or daily. So, yeah. See you on the next adventure. The Elvin's Crazy Lives.